Understanding bug light, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase in English, bug light. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how it's used in everyday conversation. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can really illuminate your English language skills. Bug light refers to a type of light designed to attract insects. Typically, these are outdoor lights with a specific color spectrum that lures bugs. It's a practical device often used in gardens or patios. However, beyond its literal meaning, bug light can also be used metaphorically. In a metaphorical sense, a bug light represents anything that attracts a lot of attention or interest. Much like how a light attracts bugs. This could be a person, place, event, or even an idea. For example, a popular celebrity can be described as a bug light due to their ability to draw public attention. Let's see how bug light is used in sentences. 1. Literal usage. We installed a bug light in our backyard to keep the mosquitoes away. 2. Metaphorical usage. The new video game release was like a bug light, drawing in crowds from all over the city. Understanding these contexts helps grasp the phrase's versatility in conversation. Interestingly, the term bug light has evolved over time. Initially, it simply referred to lights attracting insects. However, as language evolved, so did the usage of this phrase. The metaphorical meaning likely developed from observing how insects are irresistibly drawn to these lights, paralleling how humans can be attracted to certain things or people. Bug light is a fascinating example of how English evolves and adapts. It shows how literal meanings can transform into metaphorical expressions, enriching the language. We hope this exploration has shed light on this unique phrase and helps you in your journey of mastering English. Keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of language learning.